Welcome to the Crypto Quebec podcast. Today, we're talking about the U.S. Clarity Act and its critical principles, as well as the anticipated impact that the adoption of such a bill will have on the crypto landscape and its value in the short and medium term. We will also include when this bill might be adopted and reference other existing international laws: Canada, UK, European Union. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is constantly evolving, and one of the most scrutinized initiatives is the U.S. Clarity Act. This American bill aims to clearly define the status of digital assets, a crucial distinction for the future of the industry. Currently, the classification of a crypto asset fluctuates between security and commodity, leading to significant regulatory confusion and uncertainty, with the SEC and CFTC often disputing jurisdiction. The fundamental principles of the Clarity Act are, as its name suggests, legal clarity, investor protection, and the promotion of innovation. The goal is to provide a predictable regulatory framework that will allow crypto companies to operate with greater peace of mind, without the constant fear of new lawsuits or sudden changes in regulation. The adoption of such legislation would have major repercussions. In the short term, we could see increased market volatility. Projects whose status might be reclassified will have to adapt quickly, which could lead to significant adjustments in terms of compliance and business models. However, in the medium term, regulatory clarity is a powerful catalyst for institutional adoption. The significant capital that is still hesitant to engage in the crypto space due to legal ambiguity would see this risk reduced, which could stabilize the market and potentially increase the value of recognized digital assets. At Crypto Quebec, we are closely following these developments, and our technical analysis tools are here to help you navigate these periods of uncertainty. As for when such a bill might be adopted, the political reality is complex and often slow. A new bill on the Clarity Act has been introduced, but the legislative process in the United States is long, involving steps in the House of Representatives, the Senate, and then the presidential signature. It could take several months or even years before final adoption materializes. It is essential not to rely on overly optimistic timelines and to anticipate gradual progress. While the United States works on its own framework, other jurisdictions are moving rapidly. The European Union has already implemented the MiCA regulation, or Markets in Crypto Assets, a comprehensive regulatory framework that harmonizes the regulation of crypto assets within its member states. This is a notable example of proactive legislation. The United Kingdom, for its part, is striving to become a global hub for crypto innovation, while ensuring strong consumer protection. In Canada, rules already exist, notably through the Autorité des marchés financiers, the AMF, and the Ontario Securities Commission, the OSC, which consider certain crypto assets as securities and require the registration of platforms. These examples show a global trend towards greater regulation and clearer status for digital assets. Ultimately, the U.S. Clarity Act, if enacted, could transform the American crypto landscape, bringing the stability and legitimacy necessary for broader adoption. But as often in the world of cryptocurrencies, patience is a virtue. We're committed to keeping you informed of the latest advances and providing you with the most relevant analyses so that you can make informed decisions. We sincerely thank our community for listening. To deepen your knowledge and access our technical analysis tools and training, join the Crypto Quebec ecosystem on Telegram via http://t.me/cryptoqc_welcome_bot and visit our official web platform at http://cryptoqctools.com. We look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies with you there. Legal disclaimer. This podcast does not constitute financial advice in any way.
Grâce à l'alliance des mathématiques pures et de l'intelligence artificielle, nos indicateurs Crypto-Québec atteignent une précision inégalée. L'avenir du trading se dessine ici.